via ferry.
You ride to the ferry. Sorry, I don't have coffee. And you want to use the octopus, or you have coins. Gosh, this is the octopus that you press like this.
Yes. Oo nga. You don't have to. Okay, papasok na po kami sa ferry. Pali-pali.
I know people.
Na siya. Sarado na siya. Hindi namin naabutan yung ferry, guys. You have to wait for the next one. Ferry.
You can ride the cheaper, and then you can go to the other island just for $260.
$2.60. Ayan na siya.
So you can
Iniwan
go
na
to the other
kami.
side, Hong Kong Island.
Iniwan kami ng Maraging ferry. We have to wait for the next one. Mga,
They have first
mga
floor
ilang
and
minuto
second
ba yung
floor.